I'm just gonna show you how thin it is. So here's my finger, that's how thin it is. It's not too thin, but it's not thick either. And on the back of it, you may notice these things right here. Yeah, that's your ventilation. Now if I open this up, we're just gonna see this. It's gonna turn on. Actually open this lid up, it's always gonna turn on. Right here we have our Touch ID. That's also a button. So if you would like to force shut down your Mac, you would hold on to there to turn it on as well if you just left it on. Other than that, keyboard standard right here. This is a bit oversized compared to other laptops out there, but it's a good size of a trackpad, and not really much else to show you here besides, you know, the speakers on the sides. On the top we have our HD camera, that's for FaceTime, for example. And once again, here is the MacBook. So you can just get started with the setup. That's another video. This is just an unboxing for you guys to see exactly what you guys get, how the MacBook looks like. I'm just gonna do a few close-up shots so you guys get a better idea of the color. Although the color you guys will see in the video, it's not going to be the exact same thing, but it's really close to what you guys would see live. So again, this is just an unboxing. I do have a setup video plus a manual for your MacBook Pro. If you guys want to watch that, make sure to watch the other video. This is just an unboxing, so we see exactly what's inside the box. However, right now we're just going to shut down the Mac. So we're going to force shut it down actually, because we don't want to set it up at this point in time. I just have to hold on to this until it fully shuts down. And there we go. I'm going to close it up. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.